Hello everyone, welcome to this movement. I made this video not just to motivate you and not only to help you improve your English. I made this video to wake you up because many of us are alive but we are not really living. We are busy surviving, busy proving, busy running, and slowly life is passing. So today, pause with me, listen and reflect. Life is short, not in years, but in moments. One moment you are laughing, and the next moment that time is gone forever. That is the nature of life, temporary. And when something is temporary, it becomes precious. We think we have time. We live like we have endless tomorrows. I'll talk to my parents later. I'll spend time with my kids later. I'll enjoy life after success. But later is a dangerous word because later quietly, without noise. One day your parents will stop calling you, not because they don't love you, but because they don't want to disturb you. Sit with them today. Listen to their silence. Hold their hand. Presence is the greatest gift you can give. Friends drift apart. Life pulls everyone in different directions. Responsibilities grow. Time becomes limited. Calls become rare. But then, one day, you meet again. You sit together and suddenly, old jokes return. Old laughter returns. Old memories return. That feeling, that quiet smile, that warmth in your heart, that is nostalgia. Nostalgia reminds you of who you were before life became complicated. For a moment, stress disappears, pressures disappears, and you feel lighter. That single moment of nostalgia heals something inside you that you didn't even know was hurting. So don't wait for a wedding, a reunion, or a special occasion. Call them today, meet them today, because sometimes all we need is one moment of nostalgia to feel whole again. Children teach us life. Children don't count hours, they count joy. They enjoy rain, simple toys, small surprises. Somewhere between growing up and growing old, we lose these wonder. Simple joys are real wealth. Eating your favorite food slowly, drinking tea in silence, watching the sunset. This is not wasting time. This is honoring life. Love in actions, not words. Cooking for someone, asking, "Are you okay?" Being there without being asked. These small actions create deep connections. Time is not waiting. Time doesn't stop. It moves even when you don't. One day you will realize the moments you didn't live were the moments that mattered most. Stop postponing life. Don't postpone joy. Don't postpone love. Don't postpone living. Start now, even imperfectly, because imperfect life lived fully is better than perfect life never lived. Life is short. Short enough to forgive, short enough to love deeply, short enough to slow down. When life ends, your bank balance won't matter, your titles won't matter, only moments will. So live in a way that your heart feels full, not busy. Life is short, live it fully, live it consciously.